Saw wickets fall at the other end, and there came a time when he just decided he's going to take the attack on his own. Wonderful shots, doesn't play the sweep shot that much. Quite get it from the middle of the bat, but enough power. So in that situation, that turned out to be real precious innings. Only 4 overs, picked up 3 wickets. There was 1 over when he didn't concede a run, picked up 2 wickets. First one was Shikhar Dhawan with that slow ball. Then Raina very early in it, just trying to get it over. Mid-on. Perfect length actually to play that kind of shot. Just couldn't get under the ball enough. Maybe the ball just skidding on that much, not bouncing enough for him. And then Dhoni trying to uppercut, only to find Treadwell. It was that second wicket in 1 over, which was also maiden over from Bopara. Taken. He's become a good catcher for India in the slips. Takes the first slip position. At the moment, he's a safe catcher in that position.
It's a brilliant catch.
He's heaved it over. There is a man there. England fans will be saying, Eoin Morgan, what have you done here?
Just held it back in the palm of his hand, put a little bit of offcut on it. Ashwin hanging deep on that inner circle takes a comfortable catch.
Oh, he's taken it. Now, Bopara saying, was that too high? He thinks he's pulled it down from above, head high. Listen, there wasn't a bouncer in that over, so above shoulders not good enough.
Deep mid-wicket in place, which meant square leg was up and hovering just behind square there.
From real life to real life, I never thought I'd be on a big screen in movie theaters. I'm used to seeing myself on a big screen inside the stadium, but not in movie theaters. The response has been overwhelming, and whoever I've met, they've liked the movie. And it took us almost 4 years to put things together and make something which is engaging and hope that people appreciate it. I'm pleased that overall the result has been good and the response has been good. It's been engaging, and I've been able to show something to all the people who've not seen other side of my life, my private moments with my family, and what my mother had to say about my childhood, what my wife, how we met. My wife has spoken quite a bit about us. Both my brothers, sister, friends. So overall, it's been good response. I got an opportunity also to have the first viewing with the Indian Armed Forces, and the day I decided to agree to do this movie, I told the producer that the first viewing has to be for the Indian Armed Forces, and I'm extremely proud and happy that I got that opportunity to spend time with them. With the Indian team, of course, there was a portrait somewhere where they've shown when I started playing cricket how old the current Indian team was. And, a couple of them were in nappies, so it's nice to sit with them and watch the movie, and I've shared a dressing room with them, so it's been a wonderful journey for me. The most special reaction that I got was from Mr. Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan was very emotional after the movie, and he said, I know what you've gone through in your life, and this is one such movie which should be shown to everyone, every Indian, and coming that from Mr. Bachchan himself means a lot. The whole idea was how I started playing cricket. I started playing cricket because I was passionate about cricket. I didn't want to be anything else in life. I just wanted to play cricket for India. And once that journey began, the second one started, along with that. The first was, getting to the Indian dressing room. And when the first journey ended, the second journey took over from there, which was chasing my dream of holding the World Cup. That journey took quite a while, 22 years, 21 years, so, but that is what, we've tried to convey to everyone, that you never give up. Yes, there are highs and lows, and what we've also tried to cover in this movie is, what was going on in my mind during those highs and lows, what was I thinking, and nothing comes easy in life. One has to work hard for it. I had the support team who constantly backed me, and because of their guidance and encouragement, I was able to achieve my dream.